Romeo Medina, and I am site at Maypeace, City of San Fernando. My wife is Elvira Medina, and I have 4 children. The eldest is Christian, the second is Christine Ann, and the third Leonette Christian, and the youngest is Christine Shane Medina. Well, I am one of the leader of Bible Christian Church of Pampanga. My ministry, as point of this time, I am the head of the maintenance of the physical aspect of the building, and then I also one of the deacon of Bible Christian Church of Pampanga. Now, there's a question here to what were the specific changes that the CCI training accomplished in your life? Well, first, of course, changed my attitude and lifestyle, because I believe when you study and attend seminar, of course you want to learn. You want to learn more. So for me, it's not just learning or just you want to learn more, but on how to apply in your life. And then the fourth, what did the training enable you to do more effectively? First, I can use my knowledge on this BTCL training on how to making disciples and maturing believers, and of course manifesting for God's glory. And then I can use it also the practice of the church, especially family ministry. That's the important for us. At the same time, helping outreach ministry of the church right now. Number 5, what truth impacted you most during the training? For me, most truth impacted to me is that the Bible has only one interpretation. Verse 6, what has God done through you since you finished the training? First of all, I'm the first who became Christian in our family. Then, my wife followed, and then our children. So, my family, who was the first that I lead to Christ. On that period of time, our pastor challenged me to attend more seminars and training on how to on how to grow spiritually. And then I start to lead a Bible study until Northville born as one of the church plant of BCCP. And then future training, well, I want to have church leader training someday. Thank you.